Okay, hello and welcome back to Economics. Okay, today we will be trying to prove price elasticity of demand. Okay, why are we trying to prove it? Well, because we have to show that we understand what we're doing in the exam. If not, Amos wisdom is gonna mark you down. Okay, so let's take a look at one kind of question, and this actually appeared in our prelim paper. If you can't see, don't worry, I'm gonna read it out to you. In a world of two goods where none of the goods is considered normal and the other two are complements, the price elasticity of demand for the normal good will be less than unity. True or false? Explain. Okay, now I'm just going to focus on the price elasticity of demand portion and how we're going to prove our understanding of it. Okay, so now we know that when we encounter price elasticity of demand, okay, let me show you this graph. This is our demand curve over here. This is our original price of PO. Okay, and original quantity demanded of XO. So now, the price has gone down to P1, and we now have a new quantity demanded, which is X1. So we want to know whether the consumer has spent more or less due to the change in price. Okay, so we know very well that when the price elasticity is more than 1, okay, or this is elastic, okay, the change in price will be smaller than the change in quantity demanded. We know that. And if it's less than 1, okay, this is going to be inelastic. We know that the change in price is going to be bigger than the change in quantity. Okay, so now we usually follow the larger factor, and from there we can determine whether the consumer's expenditure has increased or decreased. So for example, in this case, if I'm telling you that now the price elasticity for this, okay, is more than 1, so it's elastic, right? So price has gone down, quantity demanded has gone up. Okay, we know, okay, that since it's more than 1, we can say that, okay, the consumption has increased, alright, expenditure has increased. But how do we know this? Okay, looking back at the graph, okay, let's just call this alpha, beta, and y. Okay, yeah, in army terms we call this alpha, bravo, and yankee. Let's just call it alpha, bravo, and yankee. Alright, so if there's been an increase in expenditure, basically what we are trying to say is that if you add up bravo and yankee together, okay, this should be more than alpha plus bravo. Correct? So now you know that these two things are the same, so we can actually just cancel them out. So now our main argument is Yankee larger than alpha? If Yankee is larger than alpha, okay, we are very sure that our expenditure has increased. So now let's take a look at how to prove this. Okay, alpha, okay, this basically is the lost in demand, okay, and this is the gain, loss in revenue, and this is the gain in revenue. Okay, so now how do we calculate the loss in revenue? It looks like an area, right? So basically what we're gonna do, okay, to calculate alpha, alright, is we're gonna take this distance multiplied by this distance. So we know that this distance over here is the change in price, and we know that this distance over here is x. So the formula for alpha, okay, is going to be dp multiplied by x. Okay, and and as for y, for Yankee, okay, this is going to be this distance multiplied by this distance. We know that this distance is just p, price itself, and this distance is the change in x, right? So for Yankee, it's going to be change in X multiplied by price. Okay, so now just let me tidy this up for you. Okay, we know that we want to prove this, right? And we know that this is dx multiplied by p, and this is dp multiplied by x. Now, if you notice, okay, let's take a look at this. If you're gonna divide this equation by dp times x, you're gonna get this. Okay? Right? So if you cancel this off, it's gonna be 1. So does this look familiar to you? Now this is actually the formula to calculate your price elasticity of demand. So from this, okay, we can infer this. From this, we get this. So from this calculation over here, we can show that price elasticity is in fact more than 1, and this is elastic. And what was our analysis in the beginning? We said that it's elastic, right? More than 1. More than 1. Okay, so in the exam, okay, when you encounter this kind of questions, okay, I know that you have done a lot of work drawing up all your Hicksian substitution and income effects. After that, you know, just understand how this works. If you understand, I'm sure you'll be able to produce this very quickly. Okay, just do it at the end. Okay, and I hope that you'll be getting most of the marks for this. This is probably worth like 8 marks, I guess. So yeah, we're hoping for like a 7, or if it's nice enough, we'll probably give us 8 marks. Okay, thank you for watching. And well, this is a new iPod Shuffle. Okay, it hasn't been opened. Yeah, I know it's pink, but yeah, I happen to have a new iPod Shuffle. Alright, it's 2 gigs. Alright, okay. I'm gonna give it away. Okay, if anybody can spot what is my password, okay, I'll be basically revealing the password in one of the videos, so you have to keep on watching. If you have watched this video, okay, congratulations, you're one of the first to know about this, so keep on watching. I'm not going to publicize this yet, so if you get the password, just send me a private message and this is yours. Alright, thanks.